This is Jessica Morency. The knowledge tip from CS3 today is how to change the view of your inbox in CyberRecruiter. The inbox view is used to store applicant information tied to requisitions, and it's just one of the many ways that you can manage your recruiting process. As applicants come through your website or job boards, their information will be displayed here, but what information you see about them is up to you. In my sample system, I have these columns selected, but maybe you'd rather see something different. So for example, instead of seeing attached requisitions or overall status on those last two right columns, instead maybe you'd like to see attachments that you've asked them to provide, like portfolio attachment, or the referral source, so you know where they came from, whether it was from your website or from a job board that you've posted to. So to make those changes, you have to be logged on as the administrator, and then you're going to come up into Admin, Page Builder, Applicant, and then Inbox. And it's pretty easy to make these changes. We have two different options, one to display what the recruiter inbox will see. The other is to display what the hiring manager is going to see. So if you have a different view for hiring managers that use the system, we can create a different column headers for those folks. So I want to change columns 6 and 7. So instead of attached recs or requisitions, I instead want to see attachments. So I'm going to scroll up through my list. Now as you can see, there's quite a few different things that you can see in that inbox display. Pick through the list. You can also create your own custom miscellaneous columns if you want to see something different that you're tracking in CyberRecruiter. For instance, I have the psychological test score. This is a miscellaneous field that I've created, and I can choose to display it as part of the inbox if I want to. But for this demonstration, I'm going to pick attachments, and then in column 7, instead of overall status, I'm going to choose my referral source. Once I hit the save icon, I can go now back to my inbox, pull up my sample recruiter, and I can see attachments and my referral source. What's also nice too is that all of these columns and in the information that you include, it's going to actually link to this. So for the attachments, I can link to the 5 that this person has submitted to me, and I'm taken right there. I can open up the attachments, I can view them, etc. So it makes it easy for me to navigate to the areas within CyberRecruiter that are important to me. And that's all it takes to make managing your applicants that much easier.